Ember Fund Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Ember Fund is a modern investment platform aimed at simplifying access to diversified portfolios. Many assume professionally managed funds require high fees, but Ember Fund focuses on transparency and affordability. The platform charges a flat management fee of 0.35% annually, which includes portfolio construction, rebalancing, and access to sustainable and thematic ETFs. There are no trading commissions or hidden charges. For example, at zero, investment in Ember Fund would cost just annually in fees. Ember provides users with automated investing, portfolio monitoring, and easy-to-read performance dashboards. Investors can set goals, track progress, and adjust risk preferences without extra costs. The app also emphasizes risk and socially responsible investing, giving users ethical investment options. The surprising truth is that for a modest annual fee, investors have professional portfolio management and automation, which traditionally costs hundreds or even thousands of dollars through financial advisors. Most people underestimate the value of combining automation with expert fund selection. In conclusion, Ember Fund Pricing is clear, competitive, and designed to deliver professional investing tools at an affordable cost. Knowing the management fee and included services ensures users can confidently invest and achieve their financial goals.